Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY is currently retesting a major key zone right around here. Now GBPJPY, after retesting this high and also this key zone right around here, gained this bearish move and came back up again to retest this key zone over here. Now looking at this bearish engulfing move after retesting this key zone and then coming back up again with this bullish move to retest this key zone, this does look like that GBPJPY is probably making a deeper pullback after all this bearish engulfing move, and then GBPJPY might very well be continuing to go down by breaking below this key zone to further retest any of these key zones right around here, if this is its deeper pullback move after all this bearish engulfing move. But however, if GBPJPY continues to make a break above this high over here, then it might continue all the way to retest this key zone over here. Now let's go to daily time frame. So in this daily time frame, you can see the same key zone that we talked about in the weekly time frame as well, which GBPJPY is currently retesting, and also we drew some key level right around here and here. Now if you go to 4-hour time frame, then you can see these two key level even better. So GBPJPY needs to make a breakout of this key level to continue up to retest this key zone, and in the same way GBPJPY needs to break below this key level to continue going down to retest this key zone over here. Now if you go to 4-hour time frame, then you can see the same key level that we talked about. You can see why we marked those key level as a pretty much important resistance zone. You can see all these retest points on this key level right around here, and also if you go before, then you can see all these retest points on this key level as well. And similarly on the support zone side, you can see this key level where we marked it. You can see all these retest points on this key level as well. Now it is pretty early to draw this support level and also this resistance level right around here. We need to give it more time for GBPJPY to form a bit of a proper support and resistance zone in between this and this key zone over here. So anyways, by what we can see right now, my anticipation for the upcoming week from GBPJPY is that if GBPJPY continues to respect this as its resistance zone and continues to form lower highs by breaking below this uptrend line over here, continues to form lower highs and makes a break and close below this key zone eventually, then it might continue coming all the way to retest this key zone right over here. And then with further bearish move, if it continues to break below this key zone, then it would be breaking below this previous low, which is right around here, and that might trigger a lot of bearish momentum from GBPJPY to continue coming all the way to retest probably this key zone all the way over here. And similarly in the same way, if GBPJPY with further bullish move continues to break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, then it might continue coming all the way to retest this key zone over here. Now before doing that, I think by looking at how much bullish engulfing move that GBPJPY currently has, that so if it is to go to retest this key zone, then it might continue coming for a bit of a pullback to any of these key zones over here, and then build momentum to make a breakout of this key zone to continue coming all the way to retest this key zone over here. But however, if with further bullish move it continues to break above this key zone, then it's gonna again trigger a lot of bullish move from GBPJPY, since it would be breaking above a pretty major key zone right around here like this high. So it's gonna trigger a lot of bullish move on GBPJPY to continue coming all the way to retest this key level, which we talked about in a previous weekly analysis as well, which we marked in regards to this retest points on this key level over here. So anyways, what you can do right now is that you can go to these shorter time frames like 4-hour to 30 minutes time frame like that, and draw some key zones even in between these two key zones like this right about here, like just the way I draw. And you can look for trades if GBPJPY makes a breakout of this key zone with further bearish move, then you can look for trades on the short side from GBPJPY in hopes of GBPJPY reaching towards this key zone right around here. And similarly in the same way, you have this another key zone on this short-term time frame like 4-hour time frame. So you can look for trades on the alongside in hopes of GBPJPY reaching towards this key zone if it makes a break and close above this key zone over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be giving this trading view chart link in the video description as well, which you can just click and see where the zones and all these trend lines and stuffs are. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video.